not learning about some stories and stuff. We can just learn maths and just remember some formula and we're done. Other things of maths, like it is used for cooking, it is used from morning to night, and all the other things. How many of us play Clash of Clans? All of these plans over there also. Like maths is so important. While playing games also maths is important. And other things like really basic things are also being helped to us because of maths. Maths is like a jewelry, or we can say maths is like an ornament for science. And last week we talked about, we had computer week, and when we talked about computers, well, the first thing that was developed is obviously maths. Without maths, then we wouldn't even have computer technology. And all the developments wouldn't be possible. With this last thought, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
We are now going to speak on the topic importance of math in our daily life. Math is a word functions of Greek word mathema, which means learning, studying, and science. Math is the gate and key to science. We use math in our daily life. Without math, we cannot do anything. Most of us don't like subject math. We find it difficult. But we learn to count our money. Counting that money is also math. In kitchen also we use math, like amount of sugar we put in the tea, amount of sugar in tea, salt, etc. Math helps us everywhere. While studying in school also, parents and teachers give more attention to math because that helps us every time. While it's for job also, we need for taking a job also, we need math. And last, I like to say math makes our life add up. Thank you.
And everybody present over here. Today I'm about to speak about the importance of mathematics in our daily life. As we all know, we use mathematics every second, every time, and every day in our life. Without mathematics, there is no reason of living. Math adds a flavor in our life, just like a curry adds in food. Without mathematics, our life is alone. We are now conquering the world. We are controlling animals. We are making science. We are making new formulas. We are making new things. We are inventing. All is that possible due to math. All the things present around us is due to math. Now we are building twin towers, Eiffel Towers. In those centuries, we could not do anything without mathematics because mathematics is so important that we can't even think. It just looks a small part, but it's more bigger than we can imagine. So that's all. Thank you.
Mathematics has different areas
teachers, brothers and my dear friends. My name is Tathagasi and I am from class 8E and I am going to deliver a speech on the topic named as importance of mathematics in our daily life. Math is, as we know, math is everywhere. Whole world uses math. Math is used by every individual. Not only this, science also uses math. Without math, science is incomplete. Subtraction, division, multiplication, and other are generally not maths. If we talk about maths, then math is used in every field. Fashion designing, architect, and building and engineering. Every subject needs maths. Actually, many of the people feel math is very hard, but this nature has used a number of maths to create itself, to create this beautiful world. Not only this, science, math is science. The real beauty of science is the hidden achievement of maths. Science rocket, the subject of science, and many other subjects are related to math only. Cooking also requires food. Cooking also requires mathematics. If we talk about cooking, then in the text of cooking, the accurate measurement of the quantity of the things such as salt, sugar, spices, etc. also needs math. So to make our food delicious, and the uneducated people or the people who are less educated also needs general knowledge of mathematics to deal with the shopkeepers. Not only this, mathematics is also used in fashion designing and in architect like engineering, etc. If we talk about other subjects such as English, we think that English does not need math, but it also has something in it about mathematics. Like in teacher life, mathematics is also very important. In student life, if we talk about student life, the numbers of words in the paragraph, the number of lines or the sentences in the story also requires mathematics only. Not only this, if we are well educated, it doesn't mean that if we are very well educated in math, we would be successful in our life. It's not like that. We have to just keep our body and our inner soul in math and try to understand its patterns. Its patterns are just not very hard. It's easy. Just the thing is, we are not trying to concentrate on it. The world is created by a number of mathematics, like account, banking also requires math. The amount of money, the amount of salary, etc. Not only this, management, etc. And people have not come in this stage by just reading their own subject. Mathematics is also about 70% of job where subjects also requires mathematics. Mathematics, as far as we talk about mathematics is derived from the Greek language, mathema, and it has been originated by itself when our early men required it. I just want to talk about the medical science. Medical science also, the doctors required the drug by the accurate measurement of mathematics only. So if we see that our body is also made up of mathematical illusions only. Mathematical illusions, as I talk about, like growing of the hairs, growing of nails, our height, weight, etc. So if we see in every part, there is math hidden in every part. So like if we say about our face structure, the length of our eye, our waist, everything requires math. Not only this, in fashion designing, the size of the clothes, the height of the clothes, etc. also requires mathematics. And if we really talk about mathematics, it's just not.
Mathematics in our daily life. Mathematics is including each and every field, like science, economics, commerce, etc. Some of the importance of mathematics in our daily life is that it is used in cooking to measure the ingredients required for cooking in terms of tablespoons, gram, kilogram, liters, etc. It is also used for shopping or buying goods. It is mostly used in banking sector. I would like to say, without having basic knowledge about math, we cannot get a job or do anything else.
Good afternoon, respected teachers.
HC. I am here to give a speech on the topic, the importance of mathematics in our daily life. As we all know that all job requires maths. Maths and many of its aspects are the major part of our daily life. Without maths, we just cannot live or survive. Numerical and logical thinking plays a part in our everyday activities. A good understanding of maths is essential for making sense of all the numbers and problems life throws at us. What if the world has got no maths, no counting, no numbers? Can you imagine your life without it? Probably not. There is not even a single job without maths. Even a small job like collecting plastics and bottles includes maths. When we follow a recipe or buy a coffee or decorate our home, we are using maths principles. Whether we are sailing a boat off the coast of Japan or building a house in Peru, we are using maths to get things done. Maths help us to shop wisely, buy the right insurance, remodel a home within a budget, and understand population growth. If we are well versed in this language of numbers, it can help us to make important decisions and perform everyday work. Maths is used at the home, at the store, at work, and also to pass the time. For instance, some people aren't even out of the bed before encountering maths. Setting an alarm and hitting snooze, they will quickly need to calculate the new time they will arise. At the store, whether we buy coffee or a car, the decision needs some understanding of budget and some affordable cost of groceries. Even off-time can be maths style. Baseball fans knows all about statistics. And individual athletes, whether runners, bikers, sailors, hikers, they have their own way of charting their progress from time to mileage to elevation. Maths has wide application in engineering, physics, science, and other subjects. At last, I want to say that education should be started with mathematics. Every area of mathematics has its own career to different applications. Small mind discuss persons, average mind discuss events, great mind discuss ideas, and genius mind discuss mathematics. Mathematics holds the keys to the mysteries of the world, hence numbers rules the universe. The sense of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple.
Good afternoon to all of my teachers, judges, and friends. I am Osma Guru from class 8B, and today I am here to give a short speech about importance of maths in daily life. Mathematics is a part of science too. We cannot live a single moment without science. In fact, we cannot do any problems without maths. In fact, it is a queen of science too. It is a most important and the main spirit to solve all the problems. Until now, the perfections of science and technologies are being discovered and being solved by the help of maths. The science which we know as like biology, physics, chemistry, astronomy, they have been discovered by the help of maths. Even the technologies which we know like the trending ones, iPhone, Samsung, Androids, they are being made with the help of mathematics. Mathematics has helped in different sectors like in games as football, basketball, volleyball, cricket, and etc. Nowadays it has also helped in kitchen sectors like if we need to prepare a cake, it has helped to balance the ratios to make a perfect cake. It has also discovered many of the things which we didn't know till now. The origin of mathematics have come from our ancestors as they have written all the calculations in the caves. And now from that till now from that painting we have been discovered many things. Nowadays in treatment also we have been using maths like where is the location of the heart, livers, small intestines, brains, spinal nerves, etc. Nowadays almost all the students have been taking mathematics as an important subject for their graduation. In spite of all these advantages, mathematics, some of the people have also been misusing mathematics. Let's say about the weapons and bombs which they have been created. Nowadays, in this generation, some of the terrorists have been dropping bombs. And the dropping of bombs and the timing to explode them has been calculated by maths. So, despite all of disadvantages. We need to be aware about the advantages and protect our future generation. We need to create our awareness about maths also, and that's all I want to say for today. Thank you.
My dear teachers and my dear friends, it's me Samnadhan from grade 8A and I am here to tell a speech on the topic why maths is important in our life. As we know, when we travel in the bus, we need maths. When the conductor asks us money, we need to add or subtract. Maths is only not about adding and subtracting. It's about equation, timeline, multiplying and dividing. Maths is used in various subjects like science, social, Nepali and computer. In Nepali, we use mathematics because when we write Saramsa Lekhan, we need to add the total number of words and we need to divide it by 3. When our parents go to buy clothes, fruits, vegetables, etc., we need maths.